的な島です。この木漏れ日が何とも言えない。この映像がですね、Mac で取り込めないと思ってたら、フォトじゃない方で取り込まれてたのが分かったので、これを今度 YouTube にアップしたいと思います。Okay, I'm at in Kozu Island. It's one of the it's 7 islands. I've been there. Hachijo Island, Kozu-shima Island, Mikura Island, and Miyake Island. So this year I decided to come here, Kozu Island. Okay, it's Tokyo, around 180 kilometers from Tokyo, on the Pacific Sea, Pacific Ocean. So lots of nature and lots of green and nice. Almost 150-meter high Tenjo-san. I climbed up this morning on foot, of course. Then I play my saxophone at the summit of Tenjo-san. In English, I translate in top of heaven, mount of top of heaven. Okay, it's not so high, but it's beautiful. So I recommend you come and just climb up. It's easy, just casual but nice foot gear, shoes for the mountain. Then you can have very nice scenery. It's like a desert on the top. It's not so small. You can walk 30 minutes, 40 minutes, right? And you see this, so beautiful. Okay, back to my just a small not hotel, how do you call it, I forgot, motel like. Okay, then have a lunch. Thank you, bye for now.